Good morning, guys. Got a pretty busy day ahead of me. We'll be prepping for wekfest, basically. Getting new tires for my 2014 ISF wheels. These are, if you've noticed, way bigger than these. These are 17s and these are 19s. Just gives it a little bit more of aggressive look. I think it'll look pretty well. We're going from Michelin Pilot Sports to Continental DWS. Gonna be taking it to Sound Performance in Bensonville, I believe. They're gonna hook me up with some new tires and installation. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get over there. Alright guys, we arrived to Sound Performance. Inside of Sound Performance. I got recommended by my friend James. They pretty much work on any Toyota or Lexus, and they do great business. What year is this? My boy James working hard.
Or hardly working.
Man. Got our PDR done. As you see, nice and smooth. I had a dent right here. It's all done. Had another dent right here. Also done. My boy Hyman right here, hit him up. Way better. Alright, now we're heading over to Automotive Aesthetics in Skokie. I had to get my front windows redone, and Martin took care of me pretty quick. Did it less than an hour. This is just me walking around, enjoying not having any dents. That's it for today. We did 3 things all day. Got the tires installed, all 4 brand new fresh tires, Continental DWS 06. Got the PDR done. It was a rainy day, but yeah, no dents anymore. Even though it was a small dents, still makes a big difference. Just knowing that you don't have any dents at all. Alright guys, catch you on the next one.